I'm finished. How come I keep customer cancel like their shipment? Yun yung mga reason. Check. Diba?
The first customer who called me Vida, not Vida. Yeah.
So the effect of traditional roast. Traditional blend, I mean.
And
Breakfast roast.
can I see the video after?
Have you watched the video yesterday?
Yeah. Have you already delivered it?
No, not
You
yet.
should.
I don't like. I'm gonna post it to YouTube.
I'm gonna kill you.
Guys, have pity on me naman, oh.
What is that? Can I watch? Oh, wait.
Later. That's okay. And bang.
Where can I find that? Can I have it?
What?
I can upload it.
Yeah.
Where?
On YouTube. I'm gonna give you my account.